Hi, I'm Jim from the Wax Shop, and today we're going to introduce you to and show you how to use our Tune-Up 3000 Fine Polishing Compound. This compound was designed to give your car that show car shine you desire. It's easy to use, great lubricating properties, and has sub-micron abrasives to finish out your vehicle's finish. So what you want to do is make sure your pad is centered on your polisher, set it to the lowest setting, and apply 4 dime-sized drops to the pad. Then you want to dab the pad in the area you're working in. Spread the product out, put your polisher at the lowest speed setting, put the pad flat to the vehicle surface, quickly spread, polish out. Now you want to set this at about 4 or 5, and then go into crosshatch pattern. Apply very light pressure. Let the sub-micron abrasives do the work. As you can see, this product has great lubricating properties, stays nice and wet, allowing you to have more work time than some of our competitors. This is a great product to use right before you wax, or like we're doing in our 3-step process here. Stop the polisher on the vehicle, grab a fresh microfiber towel, wipe the surface and inspect. Easy to wipe off. No greasy residue, and it's ready for your wax. Thank you for watching this video. Look for more Wax Shop videos on how to properly maintain your vehicle surface.